So let's get to make or draw the pattern of this. So I'll start by wrapping my shoe last. Let's watch. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. This video is one of the realest video you see on the internet. We're using hand sketching and a little bit of measurement here. So after wrap, we'll get to wrap the shoe last with your masking tape. Just wrap one side. I'm using one side to wrap here. Watch carefully. Please, while wrapping, don't allow your masking tape to squeeze. Just make sure you have a smooth wrapping. Right. Give me a like. So once you're done wrapping, take the feather edge of the last, just attach the last to a straight line, kind of, then gets touch that place, that point at which the last is touching the line. It's a feather edge both side. Then you draw the line, connect the two line. You draw your center line. Then take the length. You're trying to get the apron, and take the length of the last and divide it by 5. Then you add 1. That will give you your back height. So you take the length of the last, divide it by 5, then add 1 to get the back height. Then your feather edge, now use 1/2, divide it by 2 to get your apron point. Now what I call it, the apron point, just your midpoint where you be drawing your apron. All right, van point, sorry bro, van point. Once you're done, you draw the apron. Hand sketching is the best, eh? So good. Eh? Is it? Not so. That was unprofessional. What's that? What's that? Using your hand. It's not professional. So if you want to use professional, I won't kill you. So you draw the top line now. So let me explain. It's not here. Then use your cutter to cut. Don't forget to subscribe. Cut carefully, cut along your tracing line. So if you have corrections to do, so you can make your corrections. If you have questions, you can also ask your questions. then detach. First remove the excesses. You're detaching the main pattern. Detach from the shoe last. Then you know placing on the paper now. Fold the paper into two and then place carefully. Place it gently. Avoid rough placing. Lay it to the body of the paper carefully. Then add your lasting allowance. Two 2.5 lasting allowance. Add it round down the body of your last. Join the points. You cut carefully on a straight line. You cut using your sharp scissors. Then cut the opening. So you're trying to bring out the apron we'll be using now. You cut carefully. So if you want to bring out your apron differently from the vamp now, you can just draw on the other side and cut out. But if the vamp if the apron is climbing or it will be lapping on the vamp, you can leave it that way. But if the vamp is climbing, is lapping on the apron, you can now add your apron allowance, then cut the apron out. So that is how you do the apron on the vamp. Then for the belt, this small design on the top, I'm using 3 cm wideness. Draw a straight line. Use your meter rule. Cut. Then use your hand to do the design and bring it out. You can see the design. Just cut. If you open it, you get the exact design and shape of what you have at the front. You can see that, right? So this is how you do these things. These are not magic. These things are not magic, so it's easy to do. I hope you learned something. Give us a like, subscribe. If you love this, copy the link and share to other people. Let them learn. God bless you guys. Thanks for watching.